GK questions by Rohit. Good morning to one and all. My name is Rohit. I am from grade 8 IIT. Today's GK questions are: first question, where is the International Court of Justice is situated? I am repeating my question. Where is the International Court of Justice is situated? Answer: the Peace Palace, The Hague of Netherlands. Second question, what is the full form of UNICEF? I am repeating my question. What is the full form of UNICEF? Answer: United Nations International Fund for Children. Third question, where is the ancient University of Nalanda is located? I am repeating my question. Where is the ancient University of Nalanda is located? Answer: Rajgir, Bihar. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Life is a lovely gift from the God, but nowadays children are wasting their valuable time by seeing mobile and social media. The skit presentation by 8th students.
Saiti, how long I have been calling you? You never respond to my call. What are you doing here?
Mommy, please don't disturb me. I am playing Free Fire game.
Your mind is never free. What do you mean by free fire? Give me the mobile.
Mommy, please. Yeah, I got my phone.
Saiti, look up. Don't be busy with mobile.
Hello. I am Mrs. Jyoti, science class teacher speaking.
Yes, madam, I'm Saiti's mother. Tell me, madam.
I would like to bring a notice to your daughter Saiti, finding very difficult to control her studies. I listened to that activities are very strange.
Strange. I don't understand, madam.
Yes, her hands and fingers shivering all the time. She unable to respond my call. I think it is better to get a doctor without any delay. This is my kind advice.
Yes, madam. Thank you. Doctor, what happened to my daughter? What is wrong with my daughter?
Your daughter suffering from severe brain damage.
Oh my God, when did this happen?
Your daughter addiction sulfur that causes your brain damage. She is unable to concentrate present work.
Doctor, I can spend any amount of money. Please save my daughter.
You don't give money. Give your valuable time spent with your daughter. To recover your daughter, you should not encourage games. Must avoid mobile. That's better to your daughter.
Thank you, doctor, for your valuable advice.
Mobile kills your valuable time as well as your health. Thank you.